Hello, Software Guy here with a new video. And today, I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to overclock your GPU. This is perfect for anyone who wants a small performance boost without digging into complicated settings or risking system instability. Let's get right into it. NVIDIA recently launched a new app that allows you to monitor and optimize your GPU, and one of the best features is a built-in one-click automatic overclocking tool. It takes all the guesswork out of tweaking your graphics card and gives you a free performance boost with very little effort. First, head over to the official NVIDIA website and download the new NVIDIA app. It's free, lightweight, and installs pretty quickly. Once it's installed, open it up and navigate to the System section on the left sidebar. Inside the System section, click on the Performance tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a section labeled Automatic Tuning. This feature is what we'll be using to overclock the GPU. To begin the process, simply toggle the automatic tuning button on. The app will then scan your system and calculate the most stable overclock based on your GPU's thermal and voltage limits. While this scan is running, do not have any GPU-intensive programs open. That includes games, video playback, or even browser tabs with YouTube running in the background. These can interfere with the scan and lead to suboptimal tuning results. The tuning process usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your system. During that time, your screen might flicker or go black briefly. That's completely normal. Just let it finish. Once the scan is complete, you'll see your overclock results automatically applied. In my case, it added a modest performance bump, but I did get a message saying the tuning was interrupted, probably because I was recording at the same time. If that happens to you, no worries. You can always click Restore to revert the settings back to default and run the scan again when your system is idle. After tuning, I recommend keeping an eye on your GPU temps and stability, especially when gaming or editing. While the overclock is safe and mild, every system is different, so just make sure your setup handles it well. And that's it, a super easy, no-risk way to boost your GPU's performance using NVIDIA's own tools. No third-party software, no BIOS tweaking, just a simple toggle and a bit of patience. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.